Okay, 6, 7 is using our properties for exponents, right? So for A, all I'm going to do is multiply the coefficients together, then the x's, then the y's, right? So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. X times, I don't have an x over there, so that's x times 1 is x. And y to the third times y. So y to the third times y is really y to the third times y to the first. 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Okay, so there's A. Let's do B. B, x to the third times x to the negative 2. We add exponents. That's x to the 3 minus 2, or 1. Then y to the 2 times y to the negative 2. We add the exponents. 2 to the negative 2 is 0, or 2 plus negative 2 is 0. So that's y to the 0, right? Y to the 0. But anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this becomes 1. And this, we don't write x to the first, right? So this would just become x, right? So A was that, B was that. Okay, C. C, we're going to divide, right? So 6 divided by 3 is 2. X to the negative 2 divided by x to the 2. Let's remember our rules. When we have x to the negative 2 divided by x to the 2, we subtract the exponents. So that would be x to the negative 2 minus 2. That's x to the negative 4. So we have 2x to the negative 4. Now, we have to make sure they're simplified, right? So negative exponents is not simplified. So let's remember what x to the negative 4 is. X to the negative 4 is the same as 1 over x to the 4, right? So for C, we would have 2 over x to the positive 4. Okay? Now for D, we're raising this to the negative third. So this is the same as me writing negative 2 to the negative third, right? Negative 2 to the negative third times x to the negative third, right? So negative 2 to the negative third is the same as 1 over negative 2 to the positive third times, and x to the negative third is 1 over x to the third, right? So in this case, negative 2 to the third. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, times negative 2 is negative 8. So this is negative 1/8 times 1 over x to the third. And we would write this, we would combine this, right, as negative 1 over 8x to the third.